YouTube, this is Nerdrides with the Mercedes-Benz E-Class T-Model All-Terrain. After the short teaser, now the look around of the car in a little bit more off-road environment, because this car is definitely capable of going off-road and not just being, let's say, boring on the road. Quick look around. What do we have? This is the model 2019/1 model year. The mostly or obvious change to the model year before is the 19-inch rims or wheels. We have those aerodynamically optimized 19-inch wheels, and yeah, I chose them because 19 inch is, from my point of perspective, or from my point of view, the better decision than the 20 inch, especially when you want to drive a little bit more off-road. So it's better to have more cushion and more reserve on the tires than if you drive with 20 inch. So good choice here, have a good look from my point of view. They are nice, and also, as you have seen, they are cleaned very nicely because they are more closed from the design. So other look around. What are other changes? Not so nice changes. I don't know if you can see it. You can see the model year before had, I think, aluminum or metal pins. Now, because Daimler has to save some money because of the current economic situation or environment, they exchanged those plastic pins, or they changed to those plastic pins. And also in the back, where you normally had the unlock of the rear seats, this button here, or this lever, has now been changed to this plastic cover. So only the levers or the buttons in the back in the trunk. So anytime you want to have the seat come to you, that you can store something in the trunk from the inside of the car, not possible. You have to go to the back. So those are the most obvious changes of this car that I've seen so far. But the rims are nice. I think I like them, the black and the silver look. And we have, of course, compared to the normal E-Class, we have those heavy load tires, or extra load tires. So this is more SUV style, and they are more sturdy, more forgiving, let's say, when you are off-road. And I can tell you, you can absolutely drive off-road. So you really have, compared to the Passat, with those DCC, dynamic chassis control, more, let's say, differentiation in the drive modes you have. You can really drive fast in sport mode with very good curve handling and so on. You can drive comfortably in the comfort mode, so if you just want to relax. And you can, of course, like it's set at the moment, you can use the all-terrain mode, which lifts the car up to the maximum using the air suspension. So another quick look around. We have the normal LED high performance lights, daylight LED. Didn't want to spend on the matrix or the automatic LEDs, which take the front driver out of your high beam. But not a big deal. So those normal LEDs are pretty fine. Not missing anything. So all this stuff here is plastic. Actually, this down below here is magnetic, so there's could be metal. But the metal comes more weight, so if there's plastic, it's not a bad thing. And here, the Mercedes star, the central star, you can see if I go close. you have those lines, those black lines, and those black lines will heat the central star, and this is also an improvement to the Passat V8. I know E-Class of course is a different class, but from the V8 that I had before, this one was not heated, and the central VW logo was, where also the radar sensors behind, was covered by ice pretty quickly, and this had the result that the radar system was not working, and I couldn't use the lane assist and so on. So this is definitely a better solution by Mercedes, but of course more expensive car as you would believe. But actually this car, I compared it to the VW All-Terrain, and actually this car is surprisingly less per month than the All-Terrain because of, I don't know, we call it in Germany Avantgarde scandal, or the emission scandal. So this was the better or cheaper choice. You can ask me in the comments below how this was achieved, but this is actually the economically, or for more cash in your pocket, the better car for me, leasing wise. So yeah, what else do we have? We have the keyless go, also with the NFC enabled car doors, so we can open the car by smartphone if you want. Also the Me app or the Me integration, so the car is 24/7 online, and I can check the status from the Me app. I can show you that in another video. If you have any questions, any videos you would like me to make, just write in the comments below. I'll be happy to make a video for you. And yeah, if you want to buy this car new or maybe as a used car, just write me a few lines what you want to see, and I'll make a quick video so you can make a better decision if you want to get this car or not. But I have it so far for 2 months, and it's really nice. Yeah, it's a lot more upsides than downsides, or barely downsides on this car. So yeah, it's a very good family car. I'll show you in another video. You can put a Kinderwagen in the trunk with all the wheels detached, and still have the full trunk free, because you can fit all of the wheels you can detach under the actual trunk, so under the cover, and which gives you a lot of room to put in your normal suitcases and bags and whatever you want to take with on your trip. So yeah, this was a quick look around the Mercedes All-Terrain E-Class T model. Very good wagon, very good family car. So far 2 thumbs up, and a lot of detailed videos, nerdride style of course, will follow, with in detail looks at different stuff like the cockpit that's inside, the displays and so on, the seats, and whatever you want to know about, just give me a comment down below, and also a thumbs up if you like the video. If you want to see more, if you want to stay up to date, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to activate the bell, so you won't miss out on the next video, because there'll be coming a lot more on the details of this car. So thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.